Hi everyone, I am Guy Coombs and I will be teaching a class at the Scottsdale Artist School in December, and the class will cover the basic steps of oil painting. We will also cover composition and glazing, using reference, doing backgrounds, and also at the end of the class I will be able to offer a critique on any work that is brought in that was done previously, and also work that's done in the class itself. And I will also share some of my experiences of working with wildlife as a subject matter, and talk about how I get reference and how I use that reference and what inspires me. And I look forward to teaching the class and hopefully seeing you there.